Today, I'm going to challenge myself to lose weight fast by cutting out these 5 foods that might be holding me back. Can I do it? When it comes to weight loss, we all know that food choices play a huge role. But did you know that certain foods can actually hinder your progress, making it harder to reach your goals? In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 foods you should avoid if you want to lose weight fast. We've all been there, trying to stick to a diet only to find ourselves stuck in a rut and not seeing the results we want. It's frustrating to say the least. But what if I told you that the problem might not be your lack of willpower, but rather the foods you're eating on a daily basis? Foods that are so common, so convenient, and yet so detrimental to your weight loss goals. Think about it. When you're trying to lose weight, you're probably cutting back on calories, increasing your exercise, and doing all the right things. But what if the foods you're eating are secretly undermining your efforts? What if they're actually causing you to gain weight, or at the very least preventing you from losing weight? It's time to take a closer look at the foods we're eating and make some changes. Because the truth is, certain foods can slow down your metabolism, increase your cravings, and make it harder to stick to your diet. And today, we're going to dive into the top 5 foods you should avoid if you want to lose weight. First up, let's talk about sugary drinks. These are a definite no-go if you're trying to lose weight. Not only are they incredibly high in calories, but they're also packed with sugar, which can lead to cravings and overeating. And let's be real, who can stop at just one soda or juice? It's a slippery slope and one that can hinder your weight loss progress big time. Next up, we have refined grains. These are foods like white bread, pasta, and sugary cereals, all of which are stripped of nutrients and fiber, leaving only empty calories behind. And because they're so high on the glycemic index, they can cause a spike in blood sugar, leading to cravings and energy crashes. But wait, there's more. Processed meats like hot dogs and sausages are another no-go when it comes to weight loss. Not only are they high in saturated fat and sodium, but they're also packed with preservatives and additives that can have negative effects on your health. Fourth on our list is frozen meals. These may seem convenient, but they're often high in sodium, preservatives, and saturated fat, all of which can hinder your weight loss progress. And let's not forget about the fact that they're often low in nutrients and fiber, leaving you feeling unsatisfied and hungry soon after eating. Finally, we have the most surprising food that people often overlook, but is critical to avoid for effective weight loss, and that's fruit juice. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't fruit juice healthy? But the truth is, fruit juice is often stripped of fiber and nutrients, leaving only sugar and calories behind. And because it's so easy to drink a lot of it, it can add up quickly and hinder your weight loss progress. So there you have it, the top 5 foods to avoid if you want to lose weight fast. By cutting these foods out of your diet, you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to reach your weight loss goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your experiences with these foods. If you're looking for more tips on healthy eating habits, be sure to check out my next video.